Popular Ramadan dishes around the world. Ramadan, a holy month observed by Muslims worldwide, transcends cultural boundaries. While the core tenets of fasting remain constant, culinary landscape of Ramadan explodes with vibrant flavors and traditions unique to each region. Embark on a delicious adventure as we explore some of the most popular Ramadan dishes enjoyed across the globe. Middle East and North Africa. Dates. A symbol of hospitality and recommended by Islamic tradition to break the fast. Dates are a staple Ramadan food throughout the Middle East and North Africa. They provide a natural source of sugar for an immediate energy boost. Sambusek. These savory pastries come in various shapes and fillings. But the most popular Ramadan fillings are spiced lamb or lentils, often enjoyed at Suhoor or Iftar. Ful Madam. A hearty Egyptian dish consisting of fava beans cooked with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and spices. Ful Madam is a protein-packed meal typically enjoyed at Suhoor for sustained energy throughout the day. Tagine. Morocco's national dish, tagine, features slow-cooked meat, vegetables, and spices simmered to perfection in a conical earthenware pot. Aromatic and flavorful, tagines are a true Ramadan showstopper. South Asia and Southeast Asia. Samosas. These crispy fried or baked pastries, filled with spiced potatoes and peas, are a ubiquitous Ramadan treat in South Asia and Southeast Asia. Dahi bala. A North Indian specialty, dahi bala consists of deep-fried lentil balls dunked in creamy yogurt, topped with chutneys and spices. Roti canai. A Malaysian flatbread, roti canai, is often enjoyed at Suhoor for its versatility. Dipped in curries, dals, or simply enjoyed with butter and sugar. It provides a satisfying and energy-boosting pre-dawn meal. Kolak. A sweet Indonesian soup, kolak, features various fruits simmered in coconut milk and palm sugar. This heartwarming dish is a popular choice for iftar, offering a delicious and comforting end to the fast. West Africa. Donuts. A twist on the classic breakfast treat, West African Ramadan donuts come in various shapes and sizes. Often flavored with ginger, nutmeg, or bananas, they are a delightful sweet indulgence at iftar. Maaf. The national dish of Senegal, maaf is a rich peanut butter stew simmered with meat, vegetables, and spices. Chincha. A popular Moroccan soup, chincha combines lentils, chickpeas, and fava beans with spices and herbs. This protein-packed soup is a great source of sustenance during suhoor or iftar. East Africa and the Mediterranean. Baklava. Layers of phyllo pastry filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup. Baklava is a decadent dessert enjoyed throughout the Mediterranean region during Ramadan. Dolma. Stuffed grape leaves or vegetables with savory fillings of rice, herbs, and spices. Dolma is a delectable appetizer or light meal enjoyed during suhoor or iftar. Iftar canon. A unique Ramadan tradition in some parts of the Mediterranean and Middle East. The iftar canon announces the breaking of the fast with a booming sound. Families gather around the table. Beyond the specific dishes, Ramadan is a time for sharing meals with loved ones and fostering a sense of community. The spirit of Ramadan, a time for spiritual reflection, generosity, and togetherness.